Most robots are built to move across flat ground, factory floors, warehouses, smooth surfaces where every movement can be predicted. But the real world isn't flat. It's steep, uneven, unforgiving. And sometimes the places humans need to reach are the exact places humans can't safely go. Which is why engineers built robots that climb. Not stairs, not ramps, cliffs. Near vertical rock faces that would stop almost anything else in its tracks. And honestly, watching them work feels completely unreal. At first glance, these machines almost look like something out of science fiction. Some have 4 legs, others use 6. Some move like insects. Others look more like robotic mountain goats. But despite their differences, they all share one purpose: go where humans can't. The environments they're designed for are brutal. Loose rock, steep inclines, crumbling surfaces, extreme heights. One wrong step could send a person falling hundreds of feet. But these robots don't panic, they don't get tired, and they don't fear the climb. Many use advanced gripping systems that allow them to anchor themselves to tiny cracks and uneven surfaces. Others rely on specialized feet designed to maximize traction. Sensors constantly analyze the terrain. Computers calculate the safest route. Tiny adjustments happen in real time as each step is placed with incredible precision. And that's where the footage becomes addictive. Because your brain knows what it's seeing shouldn't work. A machine slowly climbing straight up a cliff face. One careful movement at a time. No ropes, no human support, just engineering. The potential uses are enormous. Search and rescue teams could deploy climbing robots into disaster zones where collapsed terrain makes access impossible. Inspectors could send them to examine dangerous infrastructure built into mountainsides. Scientists could explore environments that are too risky for traditional fieldwork. Even military operations could benefit from machines capable of crossing terrain that vehicles simply cannot handle. And that's what makes these robots different. They're not built for convenience, they're built for impossible environments. Places where failure isn't an inconvenience, it's life-threatening. The engineering challenges behind them are incredible: balance, weight distribution, grip strength, power efficiency, terrain recognition. Every problem has to be solved simultaneously. Because unlike factory robots working in controlled conditions, these machines operate in chaos. Nature doesn't follow rules, the ground shifts, weather changes, surfaces crumble, yet the robot keeps climbing. And honestly, there's something strangely inspiring about that. For decades, humans have adapted the world to fit our machines. We flattened roads, built bridges, created controlled environments. But now engineers are building machines that adapt to the world instead. Machines that learn to move through environments exactly as they exist. No modifications required. The result almost feels alive, especially when the robot pauses at the edge of a cliff, analyzes its next move, and keeps going, one careful step after another. Because the future of robotics isn't just about replacing human tasks. It's about expanding human reach, giving us access to places we've never been able to safely explore. And if robots can master vertical cliffs, there may not be many environments left that humans can't eventually reach through machines. And honestly, that's when the future starts feeling very close.